Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to hide all Facebook photos on only me settings. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next, because we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So first open Facebook and click on the three dot which is right below the messenger icon at the top right corner. Click on it and scroll down until you see setting and privacy and click on setting and privacy. Click on setting, then scroll down until you see profile and tagging and click on profile and tagging. Now as you guys can see over here, who can see posts you're tagged in your profile picture on tagging section. Click on it. Now over here it's set on friends of friends, so to change it you can click on see more and press on only me, which means only I can view all the posts which I made on my Facebook. So basically that's how you hide all your Facebook photo at once from only me settings. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.